In this video, we'll show you how to tag assets by creating a new survey on your iOS device. Let's get started. First, open up the Survey123 app. Navigate to the survey where you want to add an asset. At the bottom of the screen, press Collect to bring up the form. Now, fill out the form with the necessary details. Once you've completed the form, scroll to the InfraMarker RFID section and press the Start button. As you can see, we've already connected to a TSL reader. Select OK to proceed. Now, point the reader towards the asset tag and pull the trigger. The RFID data will be added to the form automatically. Verify that the tag number appears in the InfraMarker ID section. This confirms a successful scan. Once verified, look at the bottom right-hand corner of the form. You'll see a check mark. Press on the check mark, then press Send. And that's it. You've successfully added an asset tag to your feature layer.